Hello students, this is the first session in chapter 2, Number Systems. Topics covered in this video: data representations and number systems. Data is raw fact about people, places and objects. Do you know data comes from the word datum? How are numbers represented by us? For example, I have taken the number 457. 457 is equal to 400 plus 50 plus 7. This can be written as 457 is equal to 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. 457 is equal to 4 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0. Note that 1 I have replaced with 10 power 0. That is 10 power 0 is equal to 1. In mathematics, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. That is n to the power 0 is equal to 1. Which means 1 power 0 is equal to 1. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 3 power 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 0 is equal to 1. 1000 power 0 is equal to 1. 3.5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Minus 26.7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is, any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. The positional weight of the digit 7 is 10 power 0. The positional weight of 5 is 10 power 1. The positional weight of 4 is 10 power 2. Now let us take a fractional number. 58.74. Here 0.74 is the fractional part. 58.74 I can write as 50 plus 8 plus 0.7 plus 0.04. 58.74 is equal to 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1 plus 7 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100. 58.74 is equal to 5 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0 plus 7 into 10 power minus 1 plus 4 into 10 power minus 2. Here 1 by 10 I have written as 10 power minus 1. 1 by 100 is 10 power minus 2. So the positional weight of the digit 8 is 10 power 0. The positional weight of 5 is 10 power 1. The positional weight of 7 is 10 power minus 1. The positional weight of 4 is 10 power minus 2. The positional weights of the digits to the left of the decimal point are in increasing powers of 10. The positional weights of the digits to the right of the decimal point are in decreasing powers of 10. So, it must be clear to you that we use powers of 10 as positional weights to represent numbers. The number system which uses powers of 10 for positional weights is called decimal number system. In decimal number system, the positional weights of each of the digits are powers of 10. Its base is 10. The digits are 0 to 9. The total number of digits is 10. The base is 10. The positional weights are powers of 10. The name of this number system is decimal number system. Deci means 10. Data which is input to the computer can be in any form: numbers, alphabet, special characters. How are numbers, alphabet, special characters represented in the computer? For that, let us look at how a computer understands data. Computer is an electronic device made up of circuits containing millions of microtransistors. Each transistor acts as a switch with two states, on or off. When current does not flow in the transistor, it is in the off state. When current flows, it is in the on state. On state of the transistor represents 1. Off state represents 0. Consider 4 transistors. When all the 4 transistors are in the off state, it represents 0, 0, 0, 0. On, on represents 1, 1, 0, 1. On, off, on represents 1, 0, 0, 1. Look at these numbers. These numbers are made up only of digits 0 and 1. So the digits are 0 and 1. Only 2 digits. Means its base is 2. The positional weights of the digits are powers of 2. When the positional weights of the digits are powers of 2 and the base is 2 and the digits are 0 and 1, then we have a number system called binary number system. Bi means 2. Now take a look at both the number systems. In decimal number system, the positional weights of the digits are powers of 10, base is 10, the digits are 0 to 9, a total of 10 digits. In binary number system, the positional weights of the digits are powers of 2, base is 2, and the digits are 0 and 1, that is only 2 digits. Now you know how numbers, alphabets, and special characters are represented in the computer by using binary number system. Why does the computer use binary number system? Because computer is made up of circuits containing transistors. A transistor can have only 2 states, on or off. In binary number system, there are only 2 digits 0 and 1. The digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits. Binary digits are called bits. Computer terminologies. 0 or 1 is called bit. A collection of 4 bits is called nibble. A collection of 8 bits is called byte. Number of bits processed by CPU is called word length. Word length of a computer may be 32 bits or 64 bits. Memory of a computer is measured in terms of bytes. Following are the memory sizes of computers. 1 kilobyte is equal to 2 power 10 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 2 power 20 bytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 2 power 30 bytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 2 power 40 bytes. 1 petabyte is equal to 2 power 50 bytes. 1 exabyte is equal to 2 power 60 bytes. 1 zettabyte is equal to 2 power 70 bytes. 1 yottabyte is equal to 2 power 80 bytes. The present day computers have memories of terabytes. Thank you, students.